So it's been a few days since I've done an update, and I felt like because there's been so many things going on, it was important to take some time and do it. Um, I am not really a religious person, but I believe in miracles, and we've had quite a few of those this week. Um, First of all, just all the support, all of you guys sending us messages has helped so much. And our staff, I can't tell you, they don't know if they're going to have a job tomorrow, they don't know if they're getting paid, and every single one of them has been here and saying, Sarah, we're going to save this, we're going to help you, we're going to be here till the end. Not one of them even had a second thought. They've all been here working just as hard as ever, and it just means a lot. Over the years, I've always tried to be a good employer and take care of them. And now they're taking care of me. It's pretty big. We had a couple of big miracles. One of our biggest bead suppliers, we order thousands of dollars from them every month. It's a monthly thing, and we've been working with them for years. And they knew about the trouble we were having this month, and they went and shipped our order before I even had a chance to pay for it. They said, get the sales back, take care of business, and then pay us later. I mean, I'm just like, I always have believed in running the business ethically and taking care of people and forming those good relationships. But to see all of this come back and reward us now, the touching part of it is probably more important than anything. Just knowing that these people that I've tried to take care of are taking care of us is a pretty big miracle. But I have to share this. This is a crazy miracle. And when this happened, this was the moment I knew we were going to make it. And I got the fire back. I am on fire today, and I'm going to keep that fire going. Let me tell you what happened. So obviously Janessa is still struggling with her grief. She's not able to do work for the business, and so I'm picking up there. But when I taught her how to find big collections and really crazy deals, she got really good at it. And she's probably gotten better at me than finding these amazing deals. And so this week, she actually contacted a lady that was selling a collection for $250. She told Janessa, oh, it's a box of for $250, come pick it up. And Janessa wanted it for some personal reasons, I think, for some of the things she's doing with Avery. But when she got there, it was not a box of beads. It was a box truck of beads. We're talking, it took her 2 loads in her SUV just to get everything back to her house for $250. That is crazy. And I once bought an entire bead store for $300. Like, that was my crowning achievement. This is even better. And why now? Why does this miracle happen now? I don't know, but it is a welcome miracle. And she called me and we cried. And I've been crying a lot lately, but now I'm crying for a whole different reason. Because it's in our darkest moments that the brightest opportunities come out. The chance to see who's your real friends. And God damn it. So Janessa is sending me a big box from this new collection that she got. I'll get it sometime next week. So we'll start putting up auctions to liquidate this stuff just to get us back on track. And then her plan is she's got a memorial thing that she's doing for Avery on February 3rd. And then after that, she's going to drive a truckload down to me, and we're just going to move this stuff. And I don't know if she was ready to make the drive yet, but in a lot of ways, I'm glad she's coming. I have not got to see her since Avery passed away. I wanted so badly to be there for her. And my husband tried to help me, but the truth is, I just couldn't leave in the middle of our holiday rush and, trying to keep things going here. I was not able to go be with her, so I get to see her in about a week and a half, and it's bittersweet. I'm looking forward to it though. And but I'm not here to cry. I'm not here to dwell on what we've lost. We'll never get back what we lost. But I'm here to talk about what we've gained. The gift that was Avery just keeps on giving. And she's bringing Janessa and I back together. She's bringing the business back. She's got the fire under Lila, and I got that fire going again, and I am going to start passing the torch, because that's what I've always wanted to do, was build better opportunities for moms and artists and people that want to work from home. And it takes a little bit of fire to make it happen, and my fire is back. So I don't know if I'll ever get any better at these videos. They're still weird and uncomfortable, but also been really, really good. So I just wanted to share these updates and let you guys know that we are still here, still fighting, and we're ready to kick some ass.